Hello everyone to this weekly Market Kya Lagta Hai episode, and we are here to analyze Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for this coming week. Now before we jump on to the charts, let us quickly go to the WhatsApp group to understand what was the Friday morning's message was like. So on a Friday it was a RBI policy day. My message goes something like that. This was shared on a Friday 8:52. So Friday Nifty range may be 19,500 to 19,800 and Bank Nifty range may be 44,000 to 45,000. So indices bouncing from the low of the week and currently holding with a support of 44,000 for Bank Nifty, and Nifty support level is 19,500. This was specified and this has been done. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank can be a better opportunities to buy. Now in the second message, in the follow-up message to the daily message, I'm mentioning that RBI policy day, be patient till the policy announcement, trade once favorable setup is there. Indices may give a bullish move, wait for confirmation on price. So this was the message. We got a bullish move yesterday. Friday in the first half, we got a very good bullish move and we traded in this move, and later on wherever the sideways action was happening, we did not take any kind of a trade. So this is what the action was. But more importantly, if you take a look at the daily chart, you can observe that from the week's low, it has bounced back from a 19,300 level or 43,800, 900 level. It has bounced back and now it is consistently bouncing and price is moving in a bullish direction. So how do we analyze Nifty from here? What do we expect in Nifty? If you can recollect, last week we had calculated target for this rectangular movement or a flag, and that flag target got completed. Market actually went below this target and now it is bouncing from those levels. Now these targets are completed, so I'm removing them. But if you recollect, this is the range. We're going to change this range. But if you recollect, the bullish trades are only above this 19,726, which is where the Dow theory changes. So this becomes important. This level becomes important, and once we start trading above this, then the Dow theory changes. This can act as an important resistance zone as well. So let me just quickly change the range for this particular week. So it is going to be 19,500 to 19,800. Okay, so this is what the range that we have for the coming week. Expected range is this. If we want to calculate target, so then just take a Fibonacci tool and from this low to the high, if we plot it, see the target comes to around 19,727, which is almost this bullish trade level. So this is going to be my one of the target. So this is going to be one of the target that I'm expecting, and the second target comes to 19,820. Okay, so these are the two targets that I'm expecting for this particular week. The range we have is 19,500 to 19,800, and both targets are 19,728 to 19,820. Now the low of the range should be protected, so we should not ideally go below 19,500. This is what the expectation is, and ideally, typically we should start moving in an upwardly manner. This is what the Nifty analysis is like. Now the biggest contributor in this Nifty journey can be Reliance Industries, ICICI and HDFC Bank. So these are the three picks that I feel. TCS is breaking out, so that can be additional stock which can help Nifty reach to a higher target. If all these four cylinders get fired up, then very quickly we'll break above this even 19,800 odd level and we'll reach to probably higher level than that. But let's take one day at a time. We are not in a hurry. First, we need to sustain above this Dow theory change zone of 19,726. So let's take one day at a time. On the Bank Nifty front, Bank Nifty has shown better resilient because it has not completed the target. It has taken support at 43,900 important support level, and it has bounced back from those levels. So here, if we take a look, we need to change the range for Bank Nifty. So this comes to 45,000 and 44,200. Okay, so this is going to be my range for the coming week. And I'm removing these targets now, previous week's targets, the flag targets. Right. So from here, we are headed towards SAP. Once we are above this bullish level, then the Dow theory is going to change, and then that will make things much simpler, right? So this is what the expectation is. Now, if we want to calculate target for this as per Fibonacci from the low to high, so the target comes to 44,675 as a first target. So this is my first target. And the second target comes to 44,898. Right, so 44,890. 98 it is. So let's change it. Okay, so this is how I am looking at it. These are the two targets that we are trading. Remember, we'll take one day at a time, because after a downtrend, currently we are moving in an upwardly manner, which is a counter trend. Though it is in the direction of the main trend that is on a weekly and a monthly time frame, unless and until we are above this bullish level, the Dow theory change will not trend for the hourly time frame. Okay, so keep that in mind, because for trading this every day, we'll have to keep the micro trend in our direction, in our favor. So focus on these aspects. As long as we are above this 44,755, then it will be all good for all of us, right? So this is how I'm looking at it. Currently limited with 3 targets and one level where we are seeking reversal of the trend for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, both the indices, and then accordingly we'll take a next review on Wednesday, right? So that's it from me for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.